Today's recipe is chicken satay rice bowl. All right, we're going to make our red onion pickles. So I've sliced up half of a red onion. We're going to place this in a jar. Make sure your onion is thinly sliced. Now these make great pickles for sandwiches as well, even on burgers, as well as this recipe. We're going to take our white wine vinegar and we are going to go halfway up the jar with this. These are very quick and easy to make. Then we're going to top it off with some water just to the top of the red onions. And then we're going to add a pinch of salt. We'll cover it up. And we'll just set aside for about 20 minutes. I just set it aside as we're doing this. You can do this ahead of time if you like. Place it in the refrigerator. All right, we're going to make our satay marinade. So we're going to add our garlic, our curry powder, some salt, some lime juice, soy sauce, and our peanut butter. And we're going to just stir this until it's combined. Now it will get quite thick. We can add a bit of water to make it more of your desired consistency. You just want to loosen it up. All right, now we're going to get our oven-proof, air fryer proof dish. And we'll place our chicken breasts in that. Now, depending on your air fryer, you may have to do this in 2 batches. We're going to take half of our marinade and we're going to cover our chicken with this. So we'll just spread that around until the chicken is evenly coated with our marinade. And then we're going to place this into our preheated air fryer. And we'll cook this for around 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Now we'll make our satay sauce. So we're going to take our coconut milk, and you want a full fat coconut milk. Then we'll add in the other half of the marinade. You don't want coconut cream, you do want the coconut milk. And we're going to put this over low heat. We're going to bring it to a simmer and cook on low heat for around 5 minutes. And you want to stir this often. After 5 minutes, we'll take it off the heat and we'll set it aside.
Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in.
From the air fryer. we will assemble our bowl. So I already have some cooked rice. You can use whatever rice that you like. We'll slice up our chicken. And we'll place that on our rice. We're going to drizzle some of our sauce on top. You can add as much sauce as you like. And now we're going to add some of our red onions that we've pickled. And when you're assembling these bowls, it's all in your own preference of how much you want to use. We'll add some of those red onion pickles. We'll add some shaved cucumber. Some chopped peanuts. And some chopped cilantro or coriander. You could serve this with extra sauce on the side if you like. Enjoy.
Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.